When you decide to replace the windows in your home in Sumter, South Carolina, it's essential to understand the entire process so you can prepare for what's ahead. Whether you're upgrading old, inefficient windows or simply looking to refresh your home's appearance, window replacement can have a significant impact. Here's what you can expect during a window replacement project and how you can make the most of it. Initial consultation and estimate. The first step in any window replacement project is to schedule a consultation with a local window contractor. In Sumter, you'll find many experts who can guide you through your options. During the initial consultation, the contractor will visit your home to assess the current state of your windows. They will take measurements and discuss your needs, such as the style of windows you prefer, the type of glass, and your energy efficiency goals. After assessing your needs, the contractor will provide you with an estimate. This will typically include the cost of the windows, installation, and any additional services such as removing old windows, disposal, or sealing. It's essential to ask any questions during this time to ensure you fully understand the quote. Choosing the right window. Sumter's hot, humid summers and mild winters mean that energy efficiency is crucial. When selecting new windows, consider materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which are well suited for the region's climate. These materials provide excellent insulation and require minimal maintenance. Additionally, low-E glass coatings can reduce solar heat gain, keeping your home cooler in the summer and reducing your energy bills. You'll also need to think about the window style. Double-hung windows, casement windows, and sliding windows are common choices, but you can also opt for more custom designs if you have specific preferences. Take the time to discuss your options with your contractor, who can help you select the windows that best meet your needs and fit your home's aesthetic. Scheduling the installation. Once you've made your selections, it's time to schedule the installation. Depending on the size of your home and the number of windows being replaced, the project may take a few days to complete. Most reputable contractors in Sumter will aim to schedule your installation at a time that's convenient for you, though you may need to be flexible based on availability. Before the installation begins, the contractor will likely confirm the details of the project, including the arrival time, the type of windows being installed, and any preparations you may need to make. You'll need to clear the area around each window to ensure the installers have room to work safely and efficiently. The installation process. On the day of the installation, you can expect the team of installers to arrive early and begin by preparing your home. They will carefully remove the old windows, taking care to protect your walls and floors. After removing the existing windows, the new windows will be placed and secured. Installing windows typically takes a day or two, depending on the number and size of the windows. For instance, replacing a few windows may only take a single day, while a larger home or more complex project could take longer. Throughout the installation, the team will ensure the windows are properly sealed and insulated to maximize energy efficiency and prevent drafts. During the installation, it's a good idea to check in with the crew to ensure everything is going smoothly. They may need you to review the placement of a window or make decisions about the finishing touches, such as trim and caulking. After installation, inspection and cleanup. Once the installation is complete, the contractor will inspect the windows to ensure they are functioning correctly. This involves checking that they open and close smoothly and that seals are properly fitted to prevent air leaks. If everything checks out, the final step is cleanup. The installation team will remove any debris from the site, including old windows and packaging. They will also clean the new windows, leaving your home looking pristine. In many cases, contractors will also provide you with tips on how to maintain your new windows to ensure their longevity. Final thoughts. A window replacement project in Sumter is a significant investment that can increase your home's comfort, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. By understanding what to expect during the process, you can make the experience smoother and more rewarding. From choosing the right windows to a professional installation, having an experienced local contractor will ensure that your new windows provide lasting value for your home. Don't forget to inquire about warranties, as most window manufacturers offer protection against defects, so your investment is safeguarded.